Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.2 question number 1 part 2nd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows consistent system, inconsistent system and consistent dependent systems. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication methods. It is very easy. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.2. Question number first, part 6. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution graphically. Find their solution graphically. Question first, part second. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. Here 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost Rs 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. According to first situation, you find the cost of here. Cost of 5 pencils and 7 pens are Rs 50 rupees. Here cost of 7 pencils and 5 pens are 46 rupees. You find cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. You can solve very easily. Clear? See the form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here. Clear? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by the help of these forms. Clear? Here, let the cost of one pencil equal to x, cost of one pen equal to y. Cost of one pencil is x, cost of one pen is y. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Then cost of here 5 pencils, cost of 5 pencils equal to 5 pencils equal to 5x. Cost of 5 pencils equal to 5x. Cost of 7 pens equal to 7y. Now according to first situation, now according to first situation, here 5 pencils cost and 7 pens cost together Rs 50. Clear? 5x plus 7y equal to 50. It is equation first according to first situation. Now according to second situation. Now according to second situation, here 7 pencils and 5 pens cost together 46 rupees according to second situation. Clear? You can write here 7x plus 5y equal to 46. It is equation second according to second situation. It is equation second according to second situation, and it is equation first according to first situation. It is algebraically representation of situations. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now we find two solutions of each equations. Clear? We find two solutions of each equations. We find two solutions of each equations. First equation is 5x plus 7y equal to 50. It is first equation. We find two solutions of first equation. Here xy point, here A and B. It is clear? Here you can put the value of y is 0. It becomes 0. Here you can put the value of x is 10. 10 5 is 50. Here 0 multiply 7 become 0. 50 equal to 50. It means value of x and value of y are satisfied this equation. It is clear. Your coordinate become 10 and 0. Clear. Now you put the value of y 5 here. 5 7 ja 35. It become 35. Now you put the value of x 3 here. 3 5 ja 15. 15 and 35 become 50. Both are equal. It means the value of x and value of y are satisfied this equations. Clear? Your coordinate become 3 and 5. Clear? You find two solutions of equation first. Now you find two solutions of equation second. Here 7x plus 5y equal to 46. It is equation second. You find two solutions of equation second. Here xy point C and D. Clear? Point C, point D. Clear? You put the coordinate of point y minus 2 here, minus 2. It become 2 5 are 10, minus 10. It become minus 10. Here you put the value of x is 8. 8 7 ja 56. 56 minus 10 become 46. It means value of x and value of y are satisfied this equation. Your coordinate become 8 and minus 2. 8 and minus 2. It is clear? Now you put the value of y is 5. Here 5. 5 5 are 25. It become 25. Clear? Here you put the value of x is 3. 3 7 ja 21. 21 and 25 become 46. Both are equals. It means the value of x and value of y are satisfied these equations. Clear? Your coordinate become 3 and 5. You find two solutions of equation second and two solutions of equation first. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now you plot these points on Cartesian plane. Clear? Here we plot point A. Point A means 10 and 0. Coordinate 10 and 0. 10 0. B. B means 3 and 5. 3 and 5. C. C means 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. D. D means 3 and 5. 3 and 5. On plane. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Here it is your Cartesian plane. It is your Cartesian plane. Here x and here x dash, here y and here y dash, and here origin. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you plot point A, 10 and 0. 10 at x-axis on positive direction. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is here. Clear? 0 at y-axis means at origin. It means point A is here. A. Coordinate 10 and 0. Point A is here. Coordinate 10 and 0. Here Clear? Now you plot point B, 3 and 5. 3 at x-axis and 5 at y-axis on positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 is here and 5 at y-axis on positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. 5 is here. It means your point 3 and 5 is here. Here B coordinate 3 and 5. Point B is here. Coordinate 3 and 5. You join point A and point B. Here you join point A and point B and produced line. It is line AB according to equation first. Here 5x plus 7y. Clear? Here 5x plus 7y equal to 50. It is according to equation first. Now you plot point C and point D. C 8 and minus 2. 8 at x-axis on positive direction, minus 2 at y-axis on negative direction. 8 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here. 8 is here at x-axis on positive direction. Minus 2 y-axis at y-axis on negative direction. Here 1, 2. Here minus 2. It means your point C is here. It is point C, coordinate 8 and minus 2. Now you plot point D, 3 and 5. Here 3 and 5, coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point B and coordinate of point D are same. It means it is at one point, same point. Clear? Here point D, coordinate 3 and 5. Both are at same place. Now you join point D and point C. Here you join point C and D. You produce 8. Clear? Line C and D are according to second equation. This equation 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Equation second. It is clear? No confusion about it. This line is according to equation second. Clear? You plot point A, B, C, D at Cartesian plane and you represent situation first and situation second. You find algebraic equation. Clear? Hence here you can write these lines. Line A and B shows here line A and B shows intersecting line. Intersecting line. It shows intersecting line. Clear? Intersecting line. And consistent system. Consistent system. Consistent system, unique solution. Unique solution. Consistent system, unique solution. Hence, cost of Here, coordinate of point B and C are same. Coordinate of point B and D are same. Coordinate of point B and C are B and D are same. Hence, cost of one pencil here. Cost of one pencil equal to Rs 3. Cost of one pencil is Rs 3. Cost of one pen equal to Rs 5. It is clear, no confusion about it. You find your answer very easily. You find cost of one pencil and cost of one pen. In this way, you can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution. Solution are clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is easy. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.